Now we're going to go over a NEM 2.0 interconnection request with Southern California Edison where I was rejected. And but they did give me 10 days to fix the discrepancy. And the problem was that they could not open this xlsx file for some reason. So here is the exact email that um, that they're. Let's see, wait. I was gonna go find the exact email. Um, so this is where the email where they're citing a deficiency, and they're also saying um, that they're giving me 10 days to correct the problem because it's a deficient interconnection request, um, because the load justification will not open. So I assume those of you who uh, don't have load justification attached at all probably would be in a similar situation as me. So I think, just to be safe, if you get this problem, what I think what I think you need to do is bring up your load justification form, which I think we've gone into this. This is an example where I have a Tesla. I'm going to get a Tesla, and this is justifying why I need a bigger system than what my 12 months history usage is. But there's another video on this, I believe. I think the best way to do this is just do a print, okay? And I think what you want to do is you want to print to PDF and attach a PDF file. And that is going to get you through this because then you're not guessing what is the proper file type that they're going to be able to accept. In this case, they weren't accepting they weren't able to open the XLS um, X, and I think just the cure is going to be that you're going to need to upload um, a PDF. And if you could, I would appreciate if you like this video and perhaps buy me a beer if you think that it if it helps you. My beer prices at my happy hour, home happy hour, $2 a beer. I have that special every night for myself. And I wish you a lot of luck on your project. Please chime in and let others know some of the things that you run into, either PG&E or SDG&E or Southern California Edison. And I'll just keep you updated and you keep me updated. Thank you.